Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create vendor credit here in Zoho Books. Alright, so first up, log into your Zoho Books account. Now go to the left panel and click on Purchases. In here, as you can see, we have the option Bills. Okay. Also, you have the option Vendor Credit. So first up, Bills right here. I'm just going to show you. Now let's go and select from one of your bills. Now when you go ahead and click on three dots, you can just easily create a vendor credit from this specific bill. Okay. Create vendor credits, click on proceed, and here you have the credit note. Add in your credit note right here, and do not forget about the order number and the vendor credit date. Okay, once that's done, just hit on save and you're good to go. All right, another option, closest one, go ahead over to vendor credits like so, and just create the vendor credit right here. Vendor name, for example, sample vendor. Credit note, you can go ahead and click on the gear icon right here. If you want to, you can go ahead and continue auto-generating vendor credit numbers, like so. If you want to change the prefix, go ahead and do so. All right, and once done, if you want to restart it in a year or fiscal year, you can go ahead and enable that option as well. If not, just hit on save. There you go. Now, in here, just fill in the required fields. Select the item, of course, accounts payable, subject, save as open. There you go. Here we now have our vendor credit. All right. You can go to the top right, click on three dots, refund, void, clone, view journal, or delete the credit right here. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.